A very warm welcome to the News in Flash column presented to you by LawSeco. I am Anupam Bhaduri here, and now let's proceed into the News in Flash for 17th December 2021. First off, we have India records highest ever FDI inflow of US dollars 81.72 billion in FY21. India has attracted highest ever total foreign direct investment inflow of US $81.72 billion during the financial year 2020-2021, and it is 10% higher as compared to the last financial year 2019-2020, which struck off at US $74.39 billion. In terms of top investor countries, Singapore is at the top with 29%, followed by the USA with 23%, Mauritius 9% for the financial year 2020-2021. Computer software and hardware has emerged as the top sector during financial year 2020-2021, with around 44% share of the total FDI equity inflow, followed by construction activities and service sector. Construction activities acquired 13% and service sector acquired 8% of the FDI inflow. Next up, we have minimum age for marriage of women from 18 to 21. Cabinet clears the proposal. The proposal to raise the minimum age of marriage for women from 18 to 21 was cleared by the Union Cabinet on Wednesday, a year after Prime Minister Narendra Modi said that the plan is under review. A Niti Aayog task force headed by Jaya Jaitley had backed the proposal. The recommendations on the proposal were submitted in December as the task force stressed a woman must be at least 21 years old at the time of the first pregnancy. The delay in marriage has a positive financial, social, and health impact on families, society, and children, it said. Next up, we have Setu Bharat Ram program. Government has launched Setu Bharat Ram program to replace railway crossing on national highways by road over bridges or road under bridges. Government has taken up construction of such road over bridges or road under bridges on the national highways under Setu Bharataram program through its own implementing agencies such as state PWDs, NHAI, NHIDCL, and funds are provided for construction of ROBs, RUBs like other national highway projects. Administrative approval and financial sanction for construction of 123 ROBs or RUBs have been accorded till date under Setu Bharataram program. These are sometimes constructed as standalone projects and sometimes as a part of improvement project for a section of national highway. Hence, the expenditure figures are not separately maintained for construction of such under the Setu Bharat Ram program. Next up, we have EAC PM releases report on state of foundation literacy and numeracy in India. The Economic Advisory Council to the Prime Minister has released a report on the state of foundation literacy and numeracy in India. The report prepared by the Institute for Competitiveness highlights the importance of early education years in the overall development of a child. The performance of large states such as Rajasthan, Gujarat, and Bihar is noticeably below average, whereas the northeastern states have the highest scores as a result of their superior performance. So this was all for the news in Flash today. We hope you liked the session. For getting notified about further sessions, click the subscribe button followed by the bell icon. Thank you.